Apolo kiton atukotona Patrick Odongo ngesi abalebe ekapakina kesa imorikini kwa pekale diope kanu egana kin kopone solo gelegela.
The idea behind was to bring us to know one another, and indeed we have known one another. So I came here in 2017. I didn't know Itesos who were here. But one of the social places are very good. Like the places, social places, what I mean, where they take purified water, is a place where we become identifying one another. It's when you are there, when you take 1 or 2, 3, 4, you begin talking where you come from by default.
Agirigira netilo atuko to Godwin Abuya ngesi abalebe epote da kesi aitasom atukotona aigangia luchelu iboyete kakes.
We want to promote, encourage and support civic and community activities. In the course of your work, if you see there is something that you'd like people to volunteer to do, we are the right people to be called on. We want to create unity amongst members and their community.
Apola inyamata kaimat imateni teso kosodi aito dianare Atalanta nore teso.
Yomotai mamenyekia yari yomotai imamenyekia oleri yari yomotai.
Apolo kinto necholong LC5 kabale larai pejono langosi bibi Nelson Nchangaba Sheija ngesi abala epota pedolo show ai gangi teso ai silo sikin alos kineta kech.
That we maintain this friendship, this relationship, and we put it in progress. I will be there for you anytime you need me. Anytime.
Deluxe Emi Alamu, Job Namanya, TV East, Kabale, Kigezi.